So basic coding lab, you're asked to build this base plate as the picture shows. Again, a much smaller front plate bolted onto your floor. There is some parts here we've figured out here. This chunk here, this is the brain or the processor called the cortex. You got a motor up here, and that bolts on with these gold colored screws. And I use a bushing just to kind of help the axle when it turns through the opening there. We have two kinds of motors. This one happens to have 2 prongs or 2 pins. This is a 2-pin motor. Some have 3. Are they different? Yes and no. It's the same motor, just different plug-in. Where does this get plugged into? Last here. On our Cortex, we have openings to plug in some devices here or here. This is labeled motors. This is labeled analog devices, digital devices. Later on, when we need some building, we'll plug in some analog and digital devices. But for the most part, this lab, we use the motor ports. This being a 2-prong motor, has to go to a 2-prong port. In this case, either port 1 or port 10 are 2-prong ports. Ports 2 through 9 are 3-prong ports. So 1 and 10, 2-prong, 2 through 9, 3-prong. If you look at the plug-in, there's a small little tab on this piece here. That fits into a corresponding little opening on the Cortex and the plug-in. So I'm plugging in port that motor's plugged in. Need a battery. These again may or may not be charged depending on if they're charged or not. And they plug into, sorry about the camera angle here, into the front of the Cortex. Down here, just small little battery port. Whoops, right there. That plugs into the battery port. That powers your Cortex for that operation. And then once your programming is written, we're going to need one of these orange USB cords. One end goes to your computer, one end goes into the USB port on the Cortex. It plugs in back here. So when you're asked in the program to download your program to the robot, that's what you're doing. You're plugging it in, clicking download the robot, and then running the program. So again, Cortex, motor, battery, which you will need to grab. 2-prong goes in a 2-prong port, 3-prong in a 3-prong port, and then the orange USB cord. All right, that's the basics of these parts of this lab.